Hey guys, welcome back to the Bromazing channel, and this video will be the first episode of How to Bromazing, which is basically we're going to be making some how-to videos and jump right into it. I'm going to be showing you the best camera and equipment to get for a very, very cheap price. It depends, most of the stuff is depending what you're doing, but I'm going to try to cover everything. So if you're looking to start YouTube, I definitely don't recommend buying everything. Buy when you need it. That's basically the best thing I can say, is buy when you need a certain object. Slowly start getting everything as you progress. So just want to say, if you're starting on YouTube, then, this is definitely the place to come to. I am a very cheap person. So it took me forever to slowly get all the stuff I'm about to show you today. First, I want to say, if you can't afford a camera, that's completely fine if you're looking to do like vlogging and stuff. Like, even if you don't really need one, it is always good to have one because it's extra storage. But I do recommend, if you can do it, use your phone. Like, just hold it like this and record. It takes pretty good videos that you want to start getting more into it. The first thing you need is a camera. And I recommend simple camcorders, perfect for vlogging, doing like low budget skits, at least what I do. These camcorders can be used for practically any type of video. Very easy to just set up anywhere. I have two camcorders. I'm using one that I'm using right now, and this is the other one. I did get these for free, but you can probably get these for about 100 to 200. That kind of sounds like a lot, which it is. In the video world, it's not that much. Also, if you have family members or friends, but a lot of people have cameras that they have that they don't use, and ask them if you can either have it or they can sell it to you for a cheaper price. Like, that's how I got these. They just have cameras in stores. They're like, hey, you need this? Sure, I'll take it. So I'm going to switch cameras right quick and show you the main one I use. Alright, y'all can probably kind of tell the difference in cameras, either by audio, because with this camera, I use mic with it, but we're going to talk about the mic later. This is practically the same thing. It's just a simple Sony Handy Cam, as long as with the other one. But this one's red and it's shiny. I'm sorry. So there's a lot of good things about it. It can video for a long time. It has batteries that are really good, last up to 2 hours. Amazing zoom in, as I mentioned before. And this one is fancy. It's a touch screen. This is definitely my recommendation. Pretty cheap, I would say, compared to most cameras, if you're looking to get one. Most of the stuff I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to have a link in the description for most of these products. Alright, let's go to audio. So this is a Takstar mic, very cheap, like 20 bucks, and going to the other photos, it's not that bad. Now, and if you haven't, hit the subscribe button. We make skits, funny videos, movies, commentary. We do a lot of it. So one thing, this mic isn't made for this camera. It's made for like the big boy cameras. But this one, I decided to get some Velcro tape the harder part to the top and the looser part to here, and then look, those can come off, and you're golden. And also, if you do get this specific kind, you are gonna need a little adapter that goes for it. It goes for any, I don't really know what it's called, but if you have a GoPro, it goes. So as I said, these cameras are perfect for vlogging, recording, if you like doing cooking, how-to videos, like a whole bunch of things. But slowly, as you actually start to make more money, you can slowly start upgrading, your products. Alright, so let's just say you do a lot of gaming or voiceover, and basically you would need to record some audio for a video that you're going to voiceover for. Then I do recommend this little Fifine mic, like 15 bucks, and it works perfect. All you gotta do is slide this thing into the laptop, and then boom, you got yourself a mic. It has really good audio, and as I said, don't get things if you don't need them. So this isn't really a necessity, there's just normal things, but if it's a necessity in the category of videos you're doing, this is a recommendation. So if you're a traveler, you do a lot of vlogging and stuff, you're traveling the world to nice little places, then I recommend a nice Amazon bag. This thing is a lifesaver. I bring my cameras around a lot of places. You can check out some of my vlogs that I have. So it comes through different compartments. You can already see some of the objects you're about to go over. In there, it has a lot of compartments, holds all your stuff. And for bigger things that you can't fit in here, because these are pretty small compartments, there's a big one right here you can just slide in. moving on. We're going to slide that over here and start picking out their things. So, as I said, if you're good with vlogging, then, or if you like to do different types of challenges or something, a nice GoPro. Don't look for the new shiny ones. I'm going to say that right now. Don't look for the new shiny ones. I use this GoPro quite a bit as either just like a third view for something. This is something where you don't buy all your stuff as one time, as I said many times already. You just slowly just start getting things one by one, which feels more important. The other accessories, like I have a little chest strap and a head strap for it. Also off-brand GoPros. Can recommend also. You know, if you're first starting, you don't have to worry about perfect 4K. You just gotta capture what you're doing. Key to YouTube is just be interesting. Be interesting where people would watch you, you know, over and over again. So, moving back to audio. If you're doing a lot of talking in your videos, recommend one of these. Little lapel mic. I got a pack of these for 15 bucks. This can work for anything if you're standing in front of the camera like this. I should have actually hooked this up, but you know, you can always get extension cords for this. It comes with a nice little clip on. This one I have to find the link to this one because this is a really good purchase, has your quality perfect. If you look at normal lapel mics and you see they're expensive, it's because they come with a little wireless kit, but you don't need that. Get one of these dongle things. You can get these. You can get a pack of 3 for $5. That goes with the 3 you already have. At least that's what I did. Take one of the dongles, plug it in, and all you gotta do is plug it into your phone. You got one of these, right? But then just all you gotta do is just plug it in, turn it on, click the record button, like act like you're taking a video, record it, and slip it in your pocket. It's perfect for audio. Then when you go to edit, I do recommend, just a little life hack, start the video on the phone and the camera at the same time, so you don't have to worry about audio being like a little bit off. Alright, this one is probably the most unneeded one. I'm pulling out a pair of shades. Well, these have a camera in it if you look closely. There's a camera right here. You can use this for vlogging if you're walking around and you don't want to either hold the camera like this, have a giant GoPro stuck to your forehead, even though you can't see my forehead because of my giant bush on my head, then it's perfect. It's also waterproof, at least these kind. This is I don't know where this is from, honestly. So we're going to be having 2 more videos like this probably coming soon. We're going to be talking about some life hacks, some video hacks you can do. Finally, the most important thing I think you need besides maybe a camera, actually no, not even that, is a tripod. A tripod is a man's best friend. I'm using one right now. This is it. It is a, if you want to look this up, it is a Sunpack Travel Lite Pro. This thing was probably 15-20 bucks. I highly recommend you don't get a cheap plastic one because they eventually break. But this one, a nice cheap metal that is honestly kind of perfect. And this thing can go taller than me, which is not hard. It has these little loosey things, which is good. Also on the legs too. So yeah, I recommend this. I'm actually kneeling down for this part. But this can grow super small. There's different knobs you can do. Either loosen around, just have any type of angle you want. It comes with its own adapter that screws into any camera. But let's just say you don't have camera and you're using your phone. That's good too. That it comes with a little adapter, like they have on selfie sticks. You can screw that in also, what the adapter comes with. And this thing, the best part about this, it is extremely portable. So all you gotta do, you get used to it, extremely portable, literally, that's definitely the best part, besides that it's very, very durable. Like, you can probably truck this off your roof, and if it's all tightened up, it will be fine. We're not going to try that, because as y'all are, I'm on a budget. And then look, something that can grow taller than me can grow this big, and it has a little bag for it. You can just put it in and then put it in a different bag, or you can just carry around. It has a little strap you can hold, which is good. And that'll be it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video if you want to see more video/episodes of How to Be Amazing. Make sure to subscribe so you can be notified when we upload new videos, either these kinds of videos or our actual, content like skits, challenges. So comment below some of your questions you want to see how-tos of. Luck to you starting YouTubers out there.